Good night, lovely people. Now, Friday the 4th of February has been a really good day, although I've watched a series which was really sad, but aside from this, it was a really good series, limited series, When They See Us. And yeah, now I'm going to spend time relaxing, playing some Yahtzee dice and Nintendo Switch, treats to myself kindly. The highlight of my week, friends, has been that I indirectly received confirmation that I have passed my level 2 mental health first aid course, which means I can be an advocacy for people in distress in the workplace. Feeling so proud of myself. Good night, lovely people. This is my outtake, Friday the 4th of February, and I just wanted to show you my homemade vegan pizza that I made courtesy of Jamie Oliver. Kudos to him. Pizza in a pan, and you can check that video out on YouTube. I'm sure you'll find it. But yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. I thought I'd have pizza this weekend, and I feel a slightly bit hungry, so I thought I'll try it tonight and then have the rest over the weekend. It's going to be fabulous, and I can have a plethora of meals. And plus, I thought I'd do something a little bit different for your viewing needs. Instead of just what I do in a week, I have something with a double whammy where you can get the recipe to this lovely pizza if you have a smaller consistency, or if you just like to have a smaller consistency. I'll put the recipe on one of the screenshots. And yeah, here it goes. Happy Friday, everyone, and treat yourself kindly, because you know you're worth it. You know how much you worked hard this week and what you've been doing to make your life better. So with that, I say cheers, and I'm going to enjoy this. You just gotta love pizza. I'm going to finish the rest of this off. So happy Friday, have a lovely weekend, and bye for now.